All right, so we got this crazy cart for $150, no battery, and it was dead. So I've determined through voltage checking and everything else that the batteries are dead. So I replaced the batteries. I got 2 new batteries, and I bought a charger. That was like $50 total. It will charge, it will charge. So pulled this cap off right here. Some screws that were over here. Pulled the modular off. Now I can pull this off by disconnecting right here. And then now what we'll do is we'll basically take all this stuff off and put it up on here, put it back in, connect it, make sure the charge is good, double check everything, and put the charger on and go from there. And let me show you how I do this. All right, so basically you have these. I'm just gonna snip them here, 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 and here, because they're already kind of welded on, or they're all soldered on. I'm not gonna do soldering just in case I wanna do more. And I'll reuse, I'm just gonna go ahead and just reuse these. And actually I can just pull these up. Of course, my kids are out playing. Good times. And I'm not worried about it crossing over or hurting me because the batteries are dead. They're less than 1 volt each. And so that's good to go. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to be putting these things on here, just like that. And basically taking this right here and here, and putting this right here and here. And all right, so just use these, snip off the ends. It's looking like, you can read it actually probably on here of what type or what size gauge. This one doesn't show it. This one might. 14 gauge. So look up 14 on this. You can kind of see it right there. Oh, there you go. Just come in here. 14. Get about the size you need. Like that. Pop it off. Same with this one. 14. Cut it off, pop it. Now what I do is I come in here, I twist it because it's braided. Come over here to this one, twist it, braid it. This is your cutoff fuse. This one actually, I looked at it. I think it said it had a 30. There's a 30 amp fuse in it. Yeah, 30 amp fuse. Put it in here. There. That. And you're good to go. Tube type terminals, which are these. So what it does, as you can tell right there, this lays in it like this, and you, oh, that's a cool thing too. So if you have a bigger gauge, it's blue colored, it goes here, and if it's this, then you put it right. So you just put this in here like this, it lays in there, right? Let me get it focused. There we go. So it goes in there, gets in there, it's all snug. See that? Squeeze on it. What it does, it gives it a perfect crimp, right where it's supposed to. And it came out. Son of a biscuit. So, what does that mean? It means I'm gonna need to get the blue ones. Dang it. So, this is the 12 gauge. When I check this, is that 14 gauge? This 14 gauge actually will hold my little terminals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put my terminals in here, crimp these into place for this, so I don't have to do, you can just do the middle part. So we're good to go. Yeah, there it is. Good to go. So this is good. Now all I gotta do is solder these. Solder this right here. And that'll go right here and here. Took the fuse out, that way the 30 amp fuse doesn't, get messed up, or I don't get shocked or something like that. I'll go ahead and put these in here just in case. I'm not worried about it too much. so much fun. I can't wait. Okay, so I weigh 283 pounds as of today, this morning. 282. I was able to get on that thing and go. So anybody out there pretty much can get on that one. It costs $500 just to find one and then fix it up like I did. It cost me about $200 total after the 2 batteries and the charger that I needed. Other than that, just a little bit of time, a little bit of tools, a little bit of effort, and it looks good. Now I'm gonna sit down, relax, enjoy the success that I had, and keep on keeping on. All right, y'all have a good one, and goodbye. There it is, go! Pull the lever! Oh, shit!
And it's way too fast.
Go fast. Get some! There's my neighbor, 72 years old, cruising, just cruising. There it is, just go in the grass, be safe. What do you think?
Yeah, that's gonna hurt somebody. That ain't gonna fall.
11 feet, babe, look at this. Yeah! 11 feet.